All right, this is Mark DeLeese and Create Studio. I'm just going to give you a short demonstration of Create Studio. This is an awesome video creator, and it's kind of like it's the best of both worlds. It's like an editor like Camtasia Studio that has lots of templates and things that you can do with video, and but also it's also like Adobe After Effects, where you can do animations, special effects with templates and all kinds of bells and whistles. But what's really special about this is that it's very, very easy to use. Okay, like for example, I don't even get into special effects with Adobe because it's just too complicated for me. But this is very simple and it's easy to use. Has a number of templates that you can choose from Instagram and Facebook stories. So you can just click and import them. And you know, for example, if I want to import this one, here's a template. This is the club package. It's one of the OTOs. Tells you right there it's club. So if I want to import that, and here's a timeline, I can change all the different elements, the character or whatever I can do, you know, colors or whatever I want to do. I can change the music, the audio, and I can replace the audio and do whatever I want. Okay, and so that's really, really cool. I'm just going to exit this, and you can see the templates has all kinds of different stuff, slideshows, real estate, promotionals, openers, outros, logo strings, you know, all kinds of, like here's a logo string. You just use that template and import it. Live action, Facebook, Instagram ones for timelines and so forth. Okay, so those are the templates that's quickly imported into your timeline, and you can just edit it and customize it, or else you can create from scratch. And I'm just going to show you some cool stuff when you create something from scratch. I'm going to name this as a demo, the project, and the presets are HD, 1080p, 720. So here's the presets, Facebook, Instagram, or stories, or you can customize the width and the height right here and select your background. And you can also change this inside the timeline as well, these features. I'm just going to click on project right here. And you can see here that this is the main canvas area with your timeline down below and your media. You can import media. Just click on import media, like videos, images, SVG images, all kinds of cool stuff that you can import in there. You can also, as one of the one-time offers, is the connects with Pixels, Pixabay, and audio. So, for example, if I want to import a video, and I can select, for example, a lot of different categories here for videos and video. For example, business, okay? So for example, if I want to have somebody working there, I can import that video, and now it's imported. So if I click on there, okay, there it is right there, okay? It's importing, it's 29% done. So it is importing from Pixabay. So there it is right there. Okay, so if I can just drag that, and now it's right there. So there's the video. Okay. So these are this is one of the one-time offers that has the media library. So if I also has audio. So if I click on audio, look at all the different audio, all the different things that you can choose from. Happy, clap your hands. Okay, so for example, if I want to use that one, just click there right there, and now it's done. Now it's right there, clap your hands. So I can just come and put that inside. Now that's the timeline. And I can change the title of that, audio, okay? Or I think that's the computer guy, right? That's the computer guy. I just deleted that, didn't I? There you go. There we go. I can change the title of these. Guy, and there's the audio. There's audio. So that's my timeline. And I can change this. I need to come here and there. So if I want to look at this, And I can cut, and I'm not going to get into all that. I can cut and you know, shrink these down. I can, you know, do all kind of stuff because this is the audio, so it's a lot longer, right? I can cut this, I can manipulate it, and so forth. Now let's say, for example, I want to add a bouncing ball inside this canvas scene here. I'm going to add a bouncy ball. There's a bouncy ball, and I'm going to come here and let's see here. I'm just playing around here, just showing you different things you can do. There's a color, and I'm going to make this a little bit of a gradient. And there's the center. On the left-hand side, it's going to be a bluish. On the right-hand side, it's going to be a reddish. Okay, kind of darker. There, that's a cool color. There. And I put this down below, or else I can just click on here, and it's going to go down to the very bottom of the timeline. I'll just put it right there. Okay, it's going to come in. And now I can do a lot of different motion presets. For example, motion. So I want it to slide in, or I want it to zoom in, or let me just show you all the different options here. So it's going to slide and rotate. So I'm just going to have it slide in. And I'm going to have it slide in from the, I'm going to have it, or bounce in. And it'll show you exactly where it's going to be bouncing from. Bounce from the right. There it goes. So it's going to bounce from the right. And there's the bouncy right there. Okay. And there's a circle. I'm going to move to the very beginning of the timeline. So it's going to, if I come down, it's going to, there's right there. So that's pretty fast. So I'm going to move this for the length of the image. Okay. So now I'm going to have it bounce out. So I click on out, and I'm going to have it bounce downwards, up, slide left, or else I can have it slide right. Okay, there we go. And so I'm going to select that bounce right. There. Move that there down below. And I'm going to slide right. There's right there, okay? So I can have it come in and then out. And I can change the, you know, I can change the speed of that and all different kinds of things. I'm not going to get into everything in this short video. So that's that. I can add a lot of different things to it. For example, if I come to Studio, I can add a character in there, or icons. I can add backgrounds, emojis, you know, all kinds of different stuff. Social, for example, if I want to add a lot of different elements and things that you can add in there. Okay, so for example, first you got to download it. Okay, it's going to download. Okay, so if I want to, I'm going to select that one there. Oh, they're already in there. Sorry about that. Okay, I'm just going to remove that. There. So if I come in here and I see that, then I can come here and I can edit that just like you want here. So hey bro, I could move that around. So I can totally edit that. So now it's got a little bit of a bubble in there. So, and I can add, you know, different conversations that you want to play with. Okay. So I'm going to come and I can add characters, colorful characters, supreme characters. For example, this guy here. Okay, and this guy is going to come here. There's a character, and he's idle right now, but he's going to wave his hand or do something. Okay, and or he's going to show his hand, or or he's going to run in. Okay, he's going to run in. So watch this here, and I'm going to move it to the beginning of the timeline. And I'm going to have him move from the very beginning. So I'm going to go to, he's running in, and he's going to slide in from the right, or you slide it from the left. Okay. There you go. There we go. And let's start from the beginning. Take it off. There you go. See that? And I can have him start, you know, I can have this guy start from the left and run all the way across, but I'm not going to show you all that right now. Okay? There's the ball going in and out. There's the audio. Okay? All kinds of different cool stuff. Okay? There's the guy running. See? So I just want to show you all the different stuff that you can do. This is just a little bit of what you can do. It's just phenomenal, and I really recommend this this program. And I'm just going to exit out here, and you can save your stuff or whatever you want to do. Okay, and I really recommend this. It's really, really awesome for creating customized videos, animations, special effects, and doing some video editing. It's getting better and better with the editing tools, and I really recommend this. I'm giving a special bonus. And you can get the best bonus with Mark DeLeese, and I really recommend this as it's launching today. Thank you.